On this episode of Cooking with Kid Troy, we make chicken quesadilla with pineapple salsa.
Hey kids, welcome back to some more Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're making grilled chicken quesadillas and pineapple salsa. Alright, we're going to season the chicken first. Now kids, once you try this at home, it's go. Since we seasoned this chicken, now we can put it on the griddle. Okay. Oh God. So scared. I'm getting the hang of this. It's like, no, I'm melting. Uh-oh. Now I need to wash my hands. Now my dad already had put the chicken. We're gonna put the chicken in the oven. Now kids, don't try this at home. Get an adult and let him put it in the oven. This is the dangerous part to be. See the chicken in there? Looks fresh. Oh gosh. Let's start the oven. Since the chicken is already cooked, now we're going to rest it for a bit and then we're going to cut it. Dad is going to cut the chicken and then we'll build the quesadilla. Now I'm going to build the quesadilla. First, I need to put some cheese on it. Oh God. Now these. Hardly that wasn't any. One more scoop. Perfect. Now chicken.
Spread it around.
I want to get more than just one. One, two. It's like making a pizza, guys. Alright, now that we've done the toppings, we're going to add more cheese on it. It's like making a pizza. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put the bread on it. And there you go. Alright kids, remember, you need adult supervision to help you with this. My dad helped me with the quesadilla. He had to put it on a griddle. And here's what it looks like when it's done. Ta-da! Alright, Dad just flipped this quesadilla and it's almost done, but it's time for me to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!